How to clean a casebook. Hello all, you're on the channel Androidncomp. In this video I will show you how to clean a slipcover from combination materials. Link to the article and other useful materials in the description to the video. What wipes? Wet wipes are suitable for cleaning different types of surfaces. It is necessary to wipe the surface of the cover with a minimum of effort. It is desirable to use a neutral type of wipes without essential oils and fragrance additives. The best option is wipes for office equipment, for coatings made of glass and plastic. You can use wipes with 70% of alcohol content. For example, wipes for cleaning the screen found in the set with a protective glass or film. After cleaning, any remaining moisture should be collected with a microfiber cloth. Screen care products. Screen cleaners are alcohol-free and should be used on all moderately dirty surfaces. Spray a small amount of screen cleaner on one half of the microfiber cloth, then wipe the outside and inside of the cover. If necessary, wipe away any remaining moisture with the dry side of the microfiber cloth. Alcohol. Use concentrated or diluted alcohol only for glass and plastic surfaces. Soak a cotton pad in alcohol and wipe the glass surface until the dirt is removed. If necessary, the remaining moisture should be collected with a dry cotton pad or microfiber cloth. That's all I wanted to tell and show you. Share in the comments what products you use to clean your smartphone case. Also subscribe to the channel and watch other equally interesting and useful videos. Thanks for your attention and see you soon.